Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make lemon jelly with no food color. We'll be using beetroot essence for the color. So this dessert recipe is a very healthy and nutritious one. This is a very delicious and easy recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. I've taken half cup of water in a bowl. To this add 10 grams of China grass. You can get the China grass in all stores. Give it a nice mix and let this rest for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes the China grass is nicely soaked. Keep this ready. Now heat 1 cup of water in a pan. When the water is nicely boiling, add the China grass mixture to it and mix it well. Let the China grass completely dissolve. Mix well for 5 minutes in medium flame until the China grass is well dissolved. Now the China grass has completely dissolved, so go ahead and add quarter cup of sugar. This is 150 grams of sugar. Then add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it well for 2 minutes. Now it's nicely boiling, so go ahead and add a teaspoon of beetroot essence. This gives a very natural color. Always prefer adding natural food color extracted from fruits and vegetables instead of store-bought food color. Mix it well for a minute and then off the flame. Keep ready 2 katoris. Divide the jelly mixture equally and pour it to the katori. Let this rest for 2 hours. Then you can enjoy it right away. If you prefer it to be chill, you can refrigerate and then enjoy it. It's totally optional. Our delicious lemon jelly is ready. Sprinkle some sugar on top and enjoy it with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a delicious recipe. So do try this jelly recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.